This is your light quiz. The first question says use the following information to answer question 1. A student designs a method to increase the temperature of water in a glass. She puts water in colored glasses to see which cup will absorb the most heat. So we have a blue cup, a green cup, a black cup, a white cup, and a red cup. Number 1. Which cup should she put under the light to absorb the most heat and raise the water temperature the most? So again, which one is going to absorb the most heat and raise the water temperature the most? The blue cup, green cup, black cup, white cup, or the red cup? Number 2, in tropical locations, the roofs of homes are often painted white to prevent the temperatures inside the home from getting too hot. Which statement explains how white roofs keep the temperatures lower inside the homes? So again, why would you want a white roof in a hot environment, as it will keep your temperature lower? So how does it keep it lower? The white paint reflects the sunlight. Sunlight refracts through the white paint. Sunlight is absorbed and trapped in the white paint. The white paint allows sunlight to travel through the roof. So again, why would a white roof keep the temperature lower? Number 3, this type of material lets some light pass through it. Examples of this material would be waxed paper or frosted glass. So which one lets some light pass through? Transparent, translucent, or opaque? Use the following information to answer question 4. A laser is pointed at a surface of water. The initial direction of the light leaving the laser is shown. So here's your laser. Down here is the water. So you can see that the light is coming down like this. Number 4. At which point will the direction of light change? So where is the direction of light going to change? Is it point W, point X, point Y, or point Z? Number 5. Several students are trying to determine which material would be best to use to cover the outside of the classroom windows so the sun does not heat up the room. They shine a beam of light at different materials and they record the path of the light for each material. So which diagram shows the material they should use on the classroom windows? So remember, they're trying to keep the sun out so it doesn't heat up the room. So which one of these would they want to use on the classroom windows? Option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4? Use the following information to answer question 6. A student wants to set up a demonstration to show how white light can be refracted. So here's your white light refraction demonstration. So here's your lamp, okay? And then we're going to be looking at this space here. So would we put a mirror, a paper with a small slit, a paper with a large slit, or a prism if we were going to try and refract light? So question number 6 says, which tool should be moved into the blank box to correctly set up a white light refraction demonstration? So again, remember, you're wanting to refract white light. Would you use a mirror, a paper with a small slit, a paper with a large slit, or a prism? Number 7. Which of the following objects is a source of light? So which one is a source of light? The moon, a mirror, the sun, a window? Number 8. A student views an object in a mirror. Which diagram would correctly show how light travels from the object to the student's eye? So which one is showing you how light travels from the object to the student's eye? So do we start with the object to the mirror, then to the eye? Do we start with the eye to the object, then the mirror? Or do we start with the object, then the eye, then the mirror? So which one shows how light travels from an object to a student's eye? Number 9. This type of material lets no light pass through it. We cannot see through it. An example would be a brick wall. So which one lets no light in? Would that be translucent, transparent, or opaque? So think about a brick wall. Which one would that be? Translucent, transparent, or opaque? Use the following information to answer question 10. Students are investigating the properties of water. They pour water into a beaker and measure the temperature of the water with a thermometer. Next, the teacher puts the beaker on a heating coil as shown. So you can see down here, this is the heating coil. Here's the beaker, and inside the beaker is some water. Number 10. After the investigation, students notice that the thermometer looks bent in the beaker of water. What property of light causes the thermometer to look bent? So why does it look bent? Is it vibration, reflection, refraction, or absorption? Number 11. Maddie's favorite color is green. Her best friend bought Maddie a bright green squishy for her birthday. Why does the bright green squishy appear to be green? So why does it look green? The green squishy absorbs all green light. The green squishy bends or refracts all green light. Only green is reflected by the squishy. Only green light passes through the squishy. So again, why does the green squishy look green? Number 12. A student places a straw into a glass of water. He notices that the straw appears to be split into two pieces. Describe how light interacts with water to make the straw appear to be split into two pieces. Type or write your answer in the space provided. So why does the straw appear to be split into two pieces? Number 13. This type of material lets all light pass through it. An example would be a clear window. So which one lets all light pass through? Translucent, transparent, or opaque? Use the following information to answer question 14. Sunlight shines through a window into room 1. A student wants to set up a mirror so that sunlight will reflect into room 2. So you've got your window here, the sunlight's coming into room 1. What can we do with the mirror to make the sunlight coming this way reflect over here? So question number 14 says, how should the student position the mirror so that sunlight is reflected into room 2? So do we want the mirror to be here, here, sideways over here, or kind of sideways over here? So which one of these setups would let sunlight be reflected into room 2? Number 15. Many colors of light travel from the sun towards the apple. Which color of light is reflected by the apple? Okay, so you have the sun up here, then we have a yellow apple here. So which color of light is being reflected by the apple? Is it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, or violet?